Day 32.
So we're on the way down. Man, we took that mountain like it was nothing.
Show me sweet walking stick. Oh, here's another good one. I mean, look at.
Got a sweet walking stick.
Look at this one.
It's like a cane.
Oh God.
Adrian in 2 years.
Where's my insure? Man, it's a good place for walking sticks. We can make some money off of these.
Take it. Exchange
Sunny. Maybe my dad would like it.
Does he go hiking?
I was joking, but it's okay. Here, I'm gonna.
We gotta pick one.
Yep, only one. Take only what you need. We'll leave it right there for somebody else.
Take only what you need. What are you, this Avatar or something?
That's only like my favorite movie of all time.
Avatar? Is it?
Who doesn't like Avatar?
My favorite movie is Anchorman. Story of Ron Burgundy.
Did you see that? Inertia?
Do it again, let's see. I missed it.
Okay, gotta start here. Ta-da!
It's talent.